Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boat covers today, and in the event that your boat cover is allowing water to puddle or pool in one specific spot, or even worse, a couple different spots, that's not what you want. We're going to show you how to fix that and how to resolve that with a cool little kit that we just purchased and installed. Let's take a look. And we're out of the water on the trailer, as you can see, and directing our attention to the cover. There are no low points, and we just recently installed 8 sandbags, or a sandbag cover kit that consists of 8 sandbags, and we've got them properly placed on the hooks of our preference. And this is starboard side, port side matches as well. But again, look at the cover, no low points, so when it rains, water is not going to puddle in one location and pull the cover off other locations of the boat. That is what we are experiencing, unfortunately. Let's head to the back, and I want to show you the actual back portion of the cover. Look at that. No chance water can pool in that incline. And again, 8 sandbags. They've got cool little clips. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase this, as well as scrolling above right now, and video link number 1 is to the video where we unbox, prepare these sandbags, and install them. It is supposed to rain this afternoon. We are excited about that. We are going to put these sandbags to the test. Rain has arrived, and it's aggressive, which is good. That will give you a better idea of how the actual sandbag kit performs. As of right now, no low points forming, no puddles forming, no pools. So far so good. And again, rain is coming down pretty good. And I hear thunder. Back on front and starboard side, and the wind is definitely picking up. I can tell. The cool thing is, right now, the weight of all 8 sandbags are weighing the cover down. And I do see a little bit of movement. Again, it's windy, as you can see. And again, absolutely no puddles of water being formed anywhere on the cover. We're back with you with our final update, and the rain has come and gone. Again, no low points or puddles or pools of water on the cover.